What is destroying your body? Hey guys, the human body consists of multiple organs that make up different organ system. All the organ systems work together to provide proper functioning. Unfortunately, if any of the organ systems multifunction, the effects can be observed on the entire body. Today, I would like to help you with some unknown information about destroying our body. The following certain factors contribute to the destruction of our bodies. Number 1. Unhealthy eating habits. Unhealthy eating habits play an important role in destroying the human body in today's hectic world. Almost everyone prefers fast food over healthy food. Let's be honest here, more than half of us would prefer a delicious slice of pizza loaded with extra cheese over the same old boring home cooked food, right? But we don't realize the harmful impact it can have on our bodies. It causes so many problems, including obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart diseases. Fast foods are far inferior in nutrition but high in sugar, salts, and fats. They have high transfats, therefore raising the amount of bad cholesterol or LDL and lowering the good cholesterol or HDL in the body. This promotes several cardiovascular disorders. Fried foods can also cause acne. Therefore, the daily consumption of fast food is harmful to the body. Number 2. Irregular sleeping patterns. Irregularities in sleeping habits are very harmful to our bodies. 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night is required by the body of proper functioning. Lack of sleep can have several side effects on the body. It impairs our cognitive abilities, learning, concentrations, and thought processes. It also reduces memory storage. Sharp wave ripples that cause memory consolidation occur during deep sleep. Therefore, lack of sleep can cause impairment in memory consolidation. Apart from those things, lack of sleep also increases the risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, stroke, and even death. It can also increases the process of aging. The protein collagen is responsible for providing elasticity to the skin. Lack of sleep releases cortisol that damages our skin. Hence, we should go to bed early to get proper sleep. Number 3. Sedentary lifestyle. The sedentary lifestyle is the lifestyle involving little activity or complete physical inactivity. Elimination of physical activity from our lives can have immense adverse effects. Exercise causes the release of endorphins, also known as the happy hormones, that reduce pain and induce the feeling of pleasure or happiness. Exercise is also important to gain strength, power, and endurance. Physical inactivity contributes to so many health-related problems, including stress, depression, heart diseases, especially coronary heart diseases. It also causes an increase in the risk of developing type 2 diabetes, cancer, and obesity. It will really to prevent our body from being damaged. We should exercise daily. And finally, number 4, cigarette smoking. Cigarette smoking has adverse effects on the human body. The cigarette smoke contains various harmful chemicals that get deposited in our lungs, therefore causing different lung diseases, including bronchitis, emphysema, and lung cancer. Smoking is leading cause of lung, mouth, and throat cancer. Apart from lung disease, it can also cause anxiety, heart disease, infertility, diabetes, blood cancer, and pancreatic cancer. Smoking should be strictly avoided in all these circumstances because it can severely affect our body in negative ways. These were just a few significant things that destroy our bodies. We should eat healthy foods, sleep on times, exercise daily, and avoid smoking. We should also try to prevent ourselves from unhealthy habits so that our body can remain healthy and disease free. So dear friends, if you like the video, don't forget to like. Who do you think is this situation? Please comment below and subscribe to the channel to get such informative mysterious video, as well as press the bell icon next to it. Thank you.